Good afternoon. This is Mr. Morales. Welcome to A104. I hope you had a great holiday season and a great new year. Today we're going to talk about solutions for inequalities. Lately we've been talking about systems of equations. Now we're going to move on to inequalities. Now we're going to start off with something easy. This is T.1 and it's asking, does x and y satisfy the inequality? So, does the point 1 and 7 satisfy the inequality y is less than 2x plus 8? Well, if you substitute the x and the y, hopefully you know that this is x and this is y. So let's see, 7 is y, 2 times 1 plus 8. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 8 is 10, and I think that 7 is less than 10. So I'm going to hit yes, it does satisfy. Terrific. Let's do another one. Ooh, this one seems a little harder, a little complicated. So I've got 1 and 1 as my ordered pair. So I have 2 times 1 plus 18 times 1 greater than or equal to 20. So 2 times 1 is 2. 18 times 1 is 18. 2 plus 18 is 20. Is 20 greater than or equal to 20? Well, because of the equal to part, it makes it a true statement. So I'm going to say, yes, it does. Well done. Last one. Let's do the last one, and we're going to move on to something a little harder. All right? So, does 2 and 7 make the inequality y is less than 3x plus 1 true? So y is 7. Less than or equal to 3 times 2 plus 1. So I have 7 is equal to or less than. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 is equal to 7, so that makes that one true. So that will be a yes. Alright. Now, are they all always going to satisfy? Probably not, so be careful. Now we're going to move on to T.2. We'll go here, T.2, linear inequality solved for y. So in this situation, we're going to have to type out the inequality. It says write the following inequality in slope-intercept form. It says write your answer with y first, followed by an inequality symbol, use integers, proper fractions, and improper fractions in simplest form. In order for me to get y by itself here, I'm going to have to subtract 11x. And I will do that here for you so you can see it. So I'm going to subtract 11x from both sides. This cancels out. I have y is greater than or equal to, the x term comes first, and then plus 9. So let's see if I can figure out a way to type this in. So we start here. Oh, there it is. So I have y. Let's see if you see the y. Insert. Let's try one more time. Let's see, y. Insert. And it didn't work. So I'm going to try from my computer. Stay right there and hold on. If you can hear me, there's my y. There's my greater than or equal to symbol. And then I'm typing in negative 11x plus 9. So you can see I've typed it in, and I hit submit, and I got it. Now I'll come back for another one. So, in this case, we have 16 plus y is less than or equal to 20. I'm going to do it right here. This time I'm going to subtract 16x from both sides. I get y less than or equal to negative 16x plus 20. So if you bear with me, I'm going to go to my computer again and do it again. I'll be right back. Hopefully you can hear me again. There's my y, less than or equal to negative 16x plus 20. You can see that I typed it in there. Hit submit. Brilliant. In this case, we're going to subtract 18x, so I'll do one more. So I have y minus, y is less than, let's see, negative 18x minus 2. I'm back. So I'm going to erase this just in case you didn't see it. But I subtracted 18x from both sides, and there it is there. And so I'm going to submit my answer. Now notice in this case, we have a 6 in front of the y, so we might have to do a little bit of more work. So I have 18x plus 6y is greater than 1. I'm going to subtract 18x from both sides. I have 6y is greater than negative 18x plus 1. In this case, we're going to have to divide by the 6. So y is greater than, and anytime you get an opportunity to reduce a fraction, make sure you do. This is negative 3x plus, and I'm just going to leave this as 1 over 6. And I'm going to run to my handy dandy notebook, my laptop, and type it in. Be right back. So I have y is greater than negative 3x plus 1 divided by 6. Oh wait, well you can't type it in that way. You got to type it in using this fraction bar. And 6. Now, keep two things in mind. Don't forget the rule when you're dividing. If you're dividing or multiplying by negative, what happens to this symbol? It flips. So please keep that in mind. Also keep in mind to type it in correctly in Ixl. Take your time, make sure it's right. I hit submit. Awesome, we got it right. Good luck with the rest of the objective, and let's see how least numbers it takes for you to get the 90. Carlos Morales, peace out.